Alright ladies, we are unboxing Miss Lula virgin hair today. So this is how the hair comes to you. It was delivered DHL, took about 4 days. Inside you'll get this little flyer, and it tells you, of course, wig installation if you buy a wig, and it also tells you different types of hair, different textures that Miss Lula offers on her website. Very pretty textures, y'all. I am going to be reviewing the deep wave, as you see up top. With the hair, you also get 4 flexi rods, which is great if you plan to curl the hair. And you also get bobby pins. Now right here, I'm just going to start opening each package and let you see how the hair looks. I got a 20-inch frontal in deep wave and 3 24-inch bundles. They all came true to length. This hair, it feels very soft. I'm getting very little to minimum shedding, not a lot at all. It is curly hair, so shedding usually is expected. The ends look great. Like I said, the hair feels very soft. As you see the size of the wefts. And of course it's curly hair, so once you wash it, it's definitely going to be enough. So on the left is the side, is the bundle I disrupted, kind of ran my fingers through, and the right is what the hair looks like untouched. Right here I'm showing you the 20-inch frontal. You always want to make sure that the frontal, you always hope that the same pattern on the frontal is the same as the bundles, which this is, so that is a plus. The frontal is very dense, so it is going to require some plucking or whatnot, but we will get to that in the next video. The pattern is definitely the same, so that is awesome. The lace is pretty light compared to what I usually get, but I still will be bleaching the knots just to make sure you don't see anything, just so we can make sure that the wig that we make look as good as it can. This is the hair. You see the ends look awesome. So this is the initial unboxing, ladies. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.